Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is ADV Sudeep. The video quality is gonna be less today because it's dawn right now, and as you can see, time is 5:06. We'll be starting our journey from West Bengal to Bengaluru. Where in West Bengal, if you want to know, it's Purba Mednipur, like East Midnapur. So from there, we'll be traveling all the way to Bangalore with our X7. I know I should have shot the Bangalore to West Bengal journey, but that time I was having my own family time, so I couldn't shoot. So now I'll be doing that. Right now we have crossed our first toll gate, and now we are heading towards Kharagpur. And according to Google, it says we'll reach tomorrow at evening 5:11, which is 35 hours and another 1,800 kilometers to go. And so far we have done 27 kilometers, and we'll be going peacefully because even I didn't have a good sleep today. So I'll be just taking a short power nap, and after that, if I feel okay, I'll be taking the driver's seat from there on. हाँ, construction का काम है भैया. We have reached the Odisha toll naka. As you can see, that's the toll gate. Once we cross this, नहीं, वो सब कुछ नहीं. मेरा ऐसे ही वीडियो बनाता हूँ मैं. So we'll be crossing, and after it's done.
क्या रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हो?
6 number दिया, से last दिया. So we'll be going through the 6th lane, like we'll enter through the 6th lane, and we'll exit from here. This is the entrance toll to Odisha, and the cop over there was pretty generous, but the other guy was unhappy because I was shooting over there. It's alright because people are not that camera friendly towards this side. We have entered Orissa, and till now we have done 130 kilometers, but just have a look at the road condition over here. There are literally n number of diversions, and the roads are pretty bad. This is the starting, like the first bad impression in Orissa, you can say. The build quality of roads are not that great. These are concrete roads. On top of that, there are no markings, and you can see people over here just randomly going around. So we can't keep our average speed high enough so that we can cover more distance as soon as possible. Still going great, so far so good. So we have done around 500 kilometers. We just crossed the Chilika Lake, and we ran out of petrol, so we just had to fill it up. And we are doing a full tank, so it'll be around $6,000 for a full tank, and then again we are ready to go. I have drove it around 300 kilometers. The first 200 was done by my dad, and then you can see this area is the outskirts of Orissa. After this, we are literally going to enter the Andhra region. So in Andhra, we'll be entering through Ichapuram, and we have all our passes ready and stuff. So, and another thing, many people ask me about the run flat tires and stuff. So if you want to know about all those things, just comment down below, and few people have already asked me out about the run flat tires. So the rest what I have to do is I have to just make a video, and you guys just subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out any stuff related to my car. And right now we are on a trip. As you know, I have told you before, it's from West Bengal to Orissa. So the fueling is done, so I'll be paying. So the fueling is done, and that's it for now. So right now it's 2:27. We have covered 525 kilometers, and another 1,285 to go. and we have just filled our tank. It's showing range of 670 kilometers, but subtracted by around 100 or 150, because that will be the actual amount, because again you have to refill before your vehicle goes into reserve mode. So, and one more thing, my throat might be sounding bad today, my voice might be bad today, because I have a sore throat. And right now we just had our lunch. It's around 2:30, and we are at Baharampur, and it's going to from here from here Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh is around 150 kilometers approximate, so it'll take another 2.5 hours to reach there mostly. We are driving pretty slow, we are not rushing through our journey. And look at these guys, majority of them do not have helmets and stuff, so it's nothing can be done. The weather today is too hot. Outside it's around 36 degrees Celsius. That's scorching hot. And we are sitting inside at 23, and the moment we get out, it's hot as hell. So even in middle we got a bit of drizzle near Chilka Lake, and due to which our car also got dirty. So that's it for now. Right now it's almost 10 o'clock. We just had our dinner, and we have completed around 945 kilometers, and unfortunately we hit a huge pothole, and this yellow light just popped up. This is not a traction control light, this is a chassis light, what it just said in the iDrive system. So don't know what happened, so later I have to consult the service station people and ask them what went wrong. And he just said that we can continue driving, and as you can see outside it's literally pitch dark, and all other vehicle high beams are like pretty bright, and on top of that our car laser light is performing really great, and the visibility is too good. Now it is 12 a.m. We are somewhere nearby Vijayawada, and we almost ran out of fuel. There are no fuel pumps nearby, and at last we found this Bharat Petroleum, and the fuel is to be good, and we are just filling it up. As you can see, it's still getting constructed, and the car is still running fine. It's doing great. We have another 800 kilometers to go, and 1000 kilometers done. So far so good. So right now it's 7:30 a.m. and we are crossing Chittoor at this moment, and after a while we'll be reaching Mulbagal toll, and hence we'll reach Karnataka. And throughout the journey our average speed was around 70 kilometers per hour. I know it's less, but the traffic this time was too high because after all, Unlock 3 is going on, and there are literally no restrictions, and all transportations are open. So there are a lot of people traveling, and the traffic also increased simultaneously. So
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us. And now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy. And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep
this is our third fuel break. We are at Kolar. We are at Mulbagal right now. We just crossed the border, and now we are in Karnataka, you can say. And this is our car condition, having all the bugs here and there. So I'll be getting my car washed as soon as I reach my home, and I'll just get it checked all, so that everything is fit and fine. Just look at the bug marks over here. These are intense, and it will take a lot of hard work to clean it off. And look at this place, it looks amazing. And that's it. I'll be ending my journey video here itself. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. This is ADV Sudeep signing out.